Next is the bring out the constructive program of Mahatma Gandhi during the non-cooperation movement and the civil disobedience. Gandhiji movement were not only political but also having the social and economic components like uplifting Dalits. As I discussed that, this here it was difficult. Second way of introducing would be talking about the non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement, mentioning their year, okay, and saying that these were not only the political movement but also social economic movement. That can be the second. See, there is no one way of introducing. You can follow the template which we have decided. Was that mentioning the year of the event and saying that it was not only political but also economic and social.
So we have to the other way around. Gandhiji, what he did in non-cooperation movement, and again Gandhiji is contributing towards civil disobedience. Underline can be present in that case.
In the introduction, then that will be repetition in the body also now. So in the introduction, don't try to write the same thing which is there going to be there in the body. Either talk about the behind it. What was the intention behind it? Intention behind it to make it more inclusive and the more broad-based movement, not only the political but also social. Right? In conclusion, we don't write the same thing which is we write in the body. So here, the constructive programs during the non-cooperation, you see the structuring. Here, political program, economic program, social empowerment, communal harmony was also there. So during non-cooperation movement, political program like the Nagpur session, regionalization of INC, something. Economic program like the self-reliance, social education, women participation. I'm writing very simple. Value addition is very less because I don't remember that much. But the point is there. What is that? If I revise now also modern history, here in bracket I can write some examples. Huh? Very easy to do that. But generating points are difficult. Everyone says the right political, economic, social, but if the actual question will come, it becomes difficult to think about that. You are getting the practice because seeing that, okay, here can be written. But thinking about the constructive work in this political, social, economic dimension is difficult. People will think about something like the specific point. But when you learn where it can be used, because I am writing here, you are able to understand, okay, this can be implemented here. But actually, if you ask everybody knows the social, political, economic. But where to use, how to use, it's difficult. And that is the objective of this class. Huh? To show you, not only tell you like you should do the pestle or the political, social, economic, but also showing you by doing in front of you. Right? That's the philosophy we are following. Right? Now, we not only telling you what to do, but also we are showing you how to do. Right? So that is the thing. And in the that's communal harmony. Constructive program dealing similar, political. There will be some more intensive. Economic, anti-untouchability was added. I mentioned one line of limitation here of the constitution. See, there is directive is not there. Here, see, bring out the constructive program. They have said they have not directly asked to discuss, examine, evaluate. That's why I have not given so much emphasis on it. Just mention one because I think like there was some limitation. We read it also. There were some of mostly the educated, mostly the participation of tribals was less, something. I have not given the so many emphasis because not directly asked. But since I know and I had the space, I had the time, so I just mentioned limitation, low focus on economic, more on the social and political. Here I have not mentioned no focus. That was the point we were discussing in the group mentorship with our student, that when students were writing that no focus, it's wrong. Extreme statements are wrong in prelims as well as in the mains. As you eliminate, whenever you see all, no in the prelims, UPSC will eliminate this when you will write no. So low participation, low focus, not no focus, no, low, different. Okay. Overall, such program created ground and prepared mass for large scale participation in the freedom movement. Okay. So impact of it at the end.